Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I am back again in a new video reaction. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and like the video, of course, very important, and put your comment. We are here to react on a voice note that someone sent to me. Credit to you that sent it to me. I appreciate you for that. And that's a voice note of someone that why is also in France who is so dear. Their conversation on a live stream. It's not a secret something yesterday, and it is interesting because the person actually says something. I don't know how loud the audio will be sound, but try your best to pay attention to so you can be able to hear what he have to say. But before then, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, like I said, very very important. And today I have something to discuss, but not on this video. I'm gonna come live today. I don't know when you are gonna watch this video. Join me in our live stream today because there's something someone said. I watched the video, I watched over and over again. I don't know when you're gonna watch the video, but for some of you that are gonna watch it earlier, please join me on a live broadcast today on our main platform. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and make sure you comment. Very, very important. So let us start. Let us start. Just hear this. Did you hear the part where she's complaining that those people are saying what they're saying against Kelena, against this one, against Lion Man, against, because of this or that year? Why is in France not complaining that the year insult? Who is the queen of insult here? After Sona Akbarawa. In fact, she's more insulting than Sona Akbarawa. Sona is more tricky and more somehow, I don't want to use the word evil, but his Oluwale is second to none. And that one is anybody, anything goes without having any honor, any respect, and whatever. That's why after this that somebody will come to my brother and tell me, "Oh, you are apart from Saga, what do you guys are doing? You're every day you come online and attacking this one, attacking this one." You don't need to tell me what to do. If you don't like what I'm doing, there are many other options for you. And let me not just go there because, like I said, I'm gonna come live. I will be live and I will come with phone number so that anybody that want to call will call. It's not gonna take time. After this, after I upload this video, I may set that live stream immediately. But maybe I will give interval of few, just some time. But get ready for that because we are gonna come live so that you understand the reason why when I say that I'm not fighting for freedom, that I'm not yet agitated. I know what I'm saying. Because you hear what this man is saying, the American was saying here. Now, never in fact, I don't know this man, to be honest with you, but I believe that he's watching my video because in another drama program last time, she actually talked about me and all that, and other people, and all that. So I believe that he knows this channel. But knowing this channel is different from what you are supporting. He's not my friend. He's not my enemy. I don't know him. He may like what I'm doing or may not like it. Like I said, I don't have any intention to insult anybody or abuse anybody here. But I love to be truthful and honest. You know, being honest is something that people who have sense will cherish so much. But that people, once you are truthful, because it doesn't go the way they want or going to suit them, suit their narrative, they will turn against you, they'll start calling you names and start calling for your head. Let me leave it there. Just continue.
Somebody like me,
She started calling her Amy pet name because this man is one of those she believed that she's gonna convert to Nkere, and now it is now proven that she's constantly chasing donors away from the movement because of selfish interest. Anybody that's Anyway, let me not say that because I don't want people to start saying, "Oh, you are supporting A or supporting B." This issue of freedom is for everybody. If it comes, it's not for me. It's for everybody. It's not for CS. It's for everybody. It's not for Gink. It's for everybody. If I thought Gink, it's fighting for freedom anyway. But let's continue. Like I said, I don't want to say much on this video. I don't want it to be too long. I don't want it to be too long because the audio somehow is not short. Okay, so let's just hear him. She will still go back to cook up, a lot of voice notes for him. That's not number one. And like I said, it is your choice. I have a lot to say here, but let me just control myself. To be honest with you, so many things. Let's never mind. Let's continue. This thing that this man is saying here, this part is one of the most important parts on this voice note. But the person that he's passing this information to can never ever understand it. Maybe she does, but she will not. She will pretend as if nothing happened. The man said that you even ma that he cannot imagine his mother leading him to one particular direction, and all of a sudden abandon him there and start telling him different thing. Meaning that this our brother, that his brain is with him. He don't understand what he's saying because nobody will take you serious. If you behave like Adam has behaved, anybody that takes you serious, that person is as bad as you. Listen. Yeah. Okay. It simply means that she wants to be stranded. She wants to be, and she actually believes that everybody is a pushover, like push you here, okay, go here, like swapping people movement, like you just go there, like draft. Did you hear the part? That one of the most painful part of the whole thing is that he invested 5 mil. Within 2 months that he joined, he started listening or following PM, and because of convention, he invested 5 mil once. That this is his hard-earned money. Then after everything, you guys are started telling him story. Makandi fall back. Thousands of Emeka Ghana are there complaining the same thing, spending a lot of their money, spending a lot of money to travel, waste their time, take leave from their work, and take risk to fly from their location to Finland. And after everything, somebody who did not even travel at all was championing the fallback. Those that travel, that are echoing that, are those that are being they paid for their ticket and their travel allowance. Those who claim they have they sponsor their own trip, that are supporting that, are somehow in the payroll of one man. If you know all those things, you ask question. I don't want to start talking about it because many of you actually seeing it as if I am interested in money of a Nkere. That I don't want to see people being misled, being deceived. Like I said, you are not hurting serious. You are hurting yourself. If you actually believe that you are, oh, I've seen many of them. Fulani. Some actually say, oh, this Kai report is promoting. Listen, our people have a very big problem, deep one. Now it is now done on her that she has finally chased this man away, and she couldn't handle it. She will, I know her. She will go back to persuade him, but let me not comment. He reminded her, and this happened to be one of his best friends. That's good, right? He told her that you have said something about Nkere. Now you are now doing the same thing on the Nkere. Advice is best given to somebody who will you make use of it, not somebody who have already said those market her conscience, everything. People without honor, shameless. Shameless. It's unfortunate. Very, very sad. I pity for this man because you listen to him, you can see the pain, the disappointment. Then somebody will somewhere be telling you, "Oh, don't do. You are insulting her." She's actually talking about this. Somebody has insulted you, really. So she don't believe that people will reply her, isn't it? Wow. That they are all scammers, he said. That they are all scammers. But that is where he got it wrong. And issue of this idea of I am waiting for Samanapa to come out and the Master to come out, we have seen that in the past, and we know how they ended. And some of the comments that he make here simply means that he don't understand the problem of our land. Because for you to say that you're going back to the Soludo and all that to make peace and all that, making peace is good. That's the dream of everybody. To unite and make peace and forge ahead to solve the problem that our land, the challenges our land is facing. And the best way to do that is to unite, right? But you cannot unite with everybody. There are some people that are the convener of the problem, like people who are the one driving the problem that we are facing. They are the one dishing it out, sending it to different direction in your region. So how can you make peace with them whereas they are the problem? I don't know if I follow what I'm saying. And like I said, I want the video to be too long. So please like the video. I want to hear your own opinion. You can see the dividends of Wajana, why is such in France. This is what you get when you allow people like that to be in helm of affair. For some time, they will begin to mess up. And she have actually done more harm than good. It will take long time to convince many people that she have chosen away. Only those that actually want freedom with sincerity and who understand the problem are those supporting CS. The other ones are all scammers, like he said. God bless you, my people, and I would like to hear from you. Commission is on, and bye bye for now. Take care.